Thank you for watching this e-training module on licensing Hexagon geospatial products. This tutorial will focus on installing Foundation 2014 and a student Nodelock license as part of the prerequisite for HEC geospatial products. Before we begin, please ensure that you have obtained a copy of your license authorization code, otherwise known as your LAC. This code will be needed in order to generate and manage your licenses. If you do not have your LAC, please consult your license administrator, software procurement admin, or the individual responsible for managing and distributing licenses in your organization. For more information on LACs, please visit the website you see here. Let's begin by opening a web browser and navigating to www.hexagongeospatial.com. From the Resources menu, click on the Downloads link. In the search field, begin typing Foundation 2014. A list of results will appear. Click on ERDAS Foundation 2014 and then click Go. In the results field below, click on the ERDAS Foundation 2014 link and then Download Now to begin the download process. If this is the first time downloading any recent Hexagon geospatial products, you'll be prompted to download and install the Akamai NetSession interface, which is used to manage your download. If it was previously installed, your download will begin automatically. Let's install the Akamai NetSession interface. Click the Download the Installer link and save the file using your browser. Open the folder where you saved the file and double-click to launch the installer. Agree to the terms and click Next to start the install. Once the install completes, the Download Manager will prompt you for a location to store the ERDAS Foundation 2014 zip file. Choose a location and click Save. Click Close to close the Akamai installer. Uncheck the Automatically Open When Complete box. Once the download is complete, open the folder containing your download. Right-click on the Foundation v14.0 win.zip and extract the contents. Launch the setup.exe to start the Intergraph Setup Manager. Expand the supporting software tree and select ERDAS Foundation 2014. Click the Install link to begin the installation. A prerequisite to the Foundation install is the Intergraph licensing. Click Install to start the installation. Once the install is complete, click Next to start the Foundation 2014 installation. Click Finish when it's done, and then close the Intergraph Setup Manager. From the Start menu, launch the Intergraph Licensing Host ID utility under All Programs, Intergraph Licensing 11.11.1. In the License Host ID utility, click the Request License link to launch the licensing portal. Enter your LAC and click Continue. Click Generate License. Select your Nodelock license and then click Generate. Click Next. Under Server Hosts, click Add New Host. Select Composite from the Server Host drop-down menu. Click on the License Host ID utility on your start bar to bring it back into focus. Click the Copy button next to the Composite field. Close the License Host ID utility. Right-click in the Composite field and select Paste to paste the composite ID and click OK. Select the new host and then click Generate. Select your license file and then choose your method of delivery. You may save the license file to your system or email it. For this tutorial, we're going to save the file to the system. Click Save to File to save the license file to your system. You may be prompted with instructions within your browser to save the file. Follow the instructions and save the file. Click Complete and then log out. You may also close the browser at this point. From the Start menu, launch the Intergraph Licensing Administration 11.11.1 utility under All Programs, Intergraph Licensing 11.11.1. Under the File menu, choose Import License File. Locate your ingr.lic file and select it. Click Open. An important note. It will appear that nothing happened when you imported your license. Rest assured that this is normal behavior and nothing to be alarmed about. Close the Intergraph License Administration utility. Your license is now installed and ready for use. Thank you for watching this e-training module from Hexagon Geospatial. For more e-training, please visit hexagongeospatial.com/etraining.